Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you computer science of grade 7, chapter number 4, that is about Introduction to MS Access 2010. So today's our topic is adding, deleting and modifying data in table. हम डेटा को टेबल में ऐड, डिलीट या मॉडिफाई कैसे कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू ऐड अ न्यू रिकॉर्ड, अगर आपने टेबल में न्यू रिकॉर्ड ऐड करना है तो उसके लिए आपको इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज़ ओपन द टेबल इन डाटा शीट व्यू एज हैज़ बीन कवर्ड अर्लियर. सबसे पहले आपने टेबल को डाटा शीट व्यू में ओपन करना है. Next one is to add a new record. Click on the new button on the records group of the home tab. Then आपने home बटन पे home tab पे क्लिक करना है. आपके सामने रिकॉर्ड ग्रुप आएगा जिसमें से आपने न्यू बटन के ऑप्शन को क्लिक करना है. You may also do the new record by selecting a record on the datasheet view and right clicking on the record. To enter data in table, you press tab from the keyboard to move the next record or field of the record. टेबल में डाटा को एंटर करने के लिए या नेक्स्ट रिकॉर्ड पे अगर आपने मूव करना है तो आप कीबोर्ड पे टैब बटन को प्रेस करेंगे. The new record is always added at the bottom or end of the table. हमेशा जब भी आपने न्यू रिकॉर्ड ऐड करना है तो वो बॉटम पे या एंड पे ऐड होगा. Record cannot be added between two records. However, you may rearrange the records by sorting. Move to next one is to delete a record. अगर आपने रिकॉर्ड को डिलीट करना है तो आप इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज सेलेक्ट द रिकॉर्ड टू बी डिलीटेड. जो भी आपने रिकॉर्ड डिलीट करना है आप उसको पहले सेलेक्ट करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज आइदर प्रेस डिलीट फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड और क्लिक द डिलीट बटन ऑन द रिकॉर्ड ग्रुप ऑफ द होम टैब. चाहे तो कीबोर्ड से आप डिलीट बटन को प्रेस कर सकते हैं या फिर होम टैब में जाकर रिकॉर्ड ग्रुप से आप डिलीट के ऑप्शन को क्लिक करेंगे. Well students, I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion, and one more important thing, I have a home task for you. You will solve the exercise on the book and you will solve the question answers on your notebook. Now we are going to solve the exercise. So question number 1 is choose the correct option. First one is table consists of rows and dash. Option A is clothes, option B is files and option C is columns. So option C is correct. Next one is database management system helps avoid dash. Option A is data redundancy, option B is data inconsistency and C is both A and B. So correct option is both A and B. Third one is memo data type can store dash. Option A is 25 characters, option B is 500 characters and C is 65,536 characters. So option C is correct. Move to next. Fourth one is datasheet and design are two kinds of dash. Option A is tables, option B is views of tables and C is none of these. So correct option is B. Move to next one is fill in the blanks. First one is MS Access is a database management system which is part of the dash suite. So MS Access is a database management system which is part of the MS Office, Microsoft Office suite. So move to next one is dash are ways to view the content of the table one record at a time. So forms are ways to view the contents of table one record at a time. Move to next one is the dash view creates a chart from the associated pivot table view. So the pivot chart view creates a chart from the associated pivot table view. Move to next one is true false. Database management system is a software. Yes, it's true. Move to next one is some examples of database management system are C, C++, and Java. So it's false. Next one is currency data type of MS Access allows the rounding off in calculation. It's true. Next one is we cannot query for data in MS Access. So it's false. Move to next. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is what are the various views of a table? Describe each. So here is answer of question number 1. We already discussed these views of tables in our previous lectures. So move to next one is how can we shift between different fields of the same record or between different records? So answer is we can shift between different fields of the same record or between different records by arrow keys. Next one is insert rows. Command shows itself up in which tab of the MS Access window? So answer is design tab. Question number 4 is what are the steps to be followed to delete a field in the table? So answer is place cursor on the field to be deleted. Then from the design tab of the table tools, click on the delete rows button. Microsoft Access shows a dialog box on whether you want to permanently delete all the files and the data inside the fields. Well students, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.